बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
What do you say about a man like Bipin Pandit? He is hardworking, yeah he is. He is resourceful, extremely resourceful. He knows how to run things well, delegates well, has a soft heart, always willing to help out, put himself out for a good cause. Yes, of course, he's a very talented person. Mimicry, singing, cricket, Mohammad Rafi, all of those things. And of course, he has really contributed to the running of the advertising club in the last 20 odd years that he has played an important role in it. More important, he's a very fun-loving person, smiling always, and as I have always said, he is probably the best gift, or the only gift maybe, that I have given to the advertising club. Bipin, all the very best. Let me just say this to you, that the best years are ahead. Stay blessed.
Bipin Pandit. What do I say about Bipin Pandit? If I rewind my memory tape, goes back decades and decades, and I see a young man with one ad club president. When the ad club president finishes his tenure, this young man continues, Bipin Pandit. Then another ad president comes and goes, Bipin Pandit is there, and so on and so forth. Many ad presidents came, ad club presidents came, but Bipin Pandit was there. So now I'm told that he's going to be 60 years. I can't imagine that. But I can draw an analogy. If I look at the changing ad club presidents and the constant Bipin Pandit, now what is the relationship? And this reminds me of one of my favorite ads about people coming, people changing, but something remains constant. That's Bipin Pandit. So Bipin Pandit, happy birthday to you. And this, on your 60 years, is my understanding of your relationship with ad club presidents and the constant Bipin Pandit as he gets to 60. Enjoy and watch this.
शर्मा की दुल्हन जो ब्याह के आई, संग टू सीटर सोफा ले आई। पड़ गयो नाम शर्मा इनका सोफा, हाय रे शर्मा इनका सोफा। शर्मा इन बहन का ब्याह कराइन, सोफा पे नवा कपड़ा चढ़ाइन। बन गयो वो मिसरा इनका सोफा, हाय रे मिसरा इनका सोफा। मिसरा इनका लड़का कलेक्टर बनेलू, सोफा पे रख जीन चमड़ा चढ़ेलू। बन गयो कलेक्टर इनका सोफा, हाय रे कलेक्टर इनका सोफा। कलेक्टर की बिटिया लव मैरिज करेली, सोफा पे बंगाली किरमिट चढ़ेली। बन गयो वो बंगालन का सोफा, हाय रे बंगालन का सोफा। 12 घरों का प्यार निपटाओ, सोफा 60 का होने को आओ। देखी गंगा पार की शादी, देखी देश के बाहर की शादी। अब कोई ब्याह कराए या ना कराए, हाय पर सोफा बनाए तो दिल से बनाए।
Hi Bipin, can't believe you're 60. Absolutely a fabulous innings you have played. I know you professionally, I know you personally, and I've cherished every moment we've spent together. Be it on Ad Club, talking about awards and advertising, or be it Gana Bajana, mimicry, music. There is a heart to you, which always would be something which will resonate with people. I wish you many more years of fun, frolic. Stay the way you are. Rehna tu hai jaisa tu.
Hi Bipin, I wish you a very very happy 60th. Hope you have a very very memorable day and a fantastic year ahead. And here's to more music, more cover drives and more fun. All the very best. You've been a great ambassador of many worlds. The ad world, the music world, the cricket world and countless other worlds. Keep up the spirit. All the very best. Bye.
Hey Bipin, this is Bharat Damolkar wishing you a very very happy birthday. I don't know what to say to you because I suddenly remember that I met you first when you were a Secretary General at the Advertising Club, and I thought that was what you were good at in your corporate job. And then I realized that you were also a singer, a damn good singer. And when I thought you are now a Secretary General and a singer, I suddenly realized that now you do these fantastic programs called Kumar, and not only sing yourself, but you collect a whole fantastic lot of orchestra and encourage new talent in your shows. And you've been doing it for so many years now. All fantastic programs. So when I thought that you are now a corporate person, a singer and an arranger of programs like this, I realized that you are a fantastic compere. When you stand there, you are far better than many of the professional compares that I've seen. You have a shairi or a funny joke before every song. You encourage them so well, you keep the audience laughing all the time. And I just hope and I wish that you have a long life and you keep entertaining us and keeping handling Advertising Club as efficiently as you are doing now. All the very best. Happy birthday.
खामोश, बिपिन जी के बारे में बोलना सिर्फ एक ख्याल ही नहीं, ये एक खुमार है। ये है एड क्लब का बादशाह, संगीत का सरताज और मिमिक्री का महाराज, मोहम्मद रफी का सबसे बड़ा फैन। ये कोई मुकद्दर का सिकंदर नहीं जानी, ये है शागिर्दों का शागिर्द, दोस्ताना की आखिरी ठिकाना। पर ये है देवानंद जैसा एवरग्रीन, जिसके लिए 16 लगते हैं 16। जुग जुग जियो बिपिन कुमार, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे सलाम, हैप्पी बर्थडे, जुग जुग जियो।
मिस्टर पंडित, कसा आहे तुम्ही? स्पेशल डे फॉर अ स्पेशल मैन, तो क्या तारीफ करूं। जैसे उन्होंने कहा ना, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। मिस्टर पंडित, अ वेरी स्पेशल डे फॉर अ वेरी स्पेशल मैन. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, and more important, a celebration of your life so far and a celebration of your life to follow. Your life has been nothing but a khumar, if you ask me. जो भी आपने किया, शिद्दत से किया, टशन से किया, पैशन से किया। गाने सुनाए तो क्या बात है, एडवर्टाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री को सर्व किया तो क्या बात है, दोस्तों के दोस्त, यारों के यार। आई हैव सो मच रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू, द इंडस्ट्री हैज सो मच रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू, एवरीवन यू एंगेज विद, whose life you have touched. You added humor, you added love, you added memories. For all of that, I am thankful to you. But more important, live life king size. Continue to live king size life the way you always have. And I'm sure you always will. Janamdin Mubarak ho, Mr. Pandit.
Bipin, Mitra, काय म्हणतोस? That's your name for me, no? Ekshashti Surudali. I want to congratulate you, Bipin, not just on your 60th birthday, but on the huge, immense role you've played for so many generations of advertising people in India and in Bombay. And there are so many heads of agencies who've done that for their respective agencies. But if there's one factor that is constant across all agencies, across all generations, especially in creative for us, it is Mr. Bipin Pandit, the one and only. And very few people know the role you play behind the scenes to fuse and amalgamate everything together and bring it all together. I have seen you at work sometimes, not openly, but quietly behind the scenes. And I think, I don't know about the music industry, but the advertising industry owes you a huge debt of gratitude. So congratulations on your 60th birthday. I wish we could meet in person and raise a toast. But meanwhile, have a drink on me. God bless, all the best, and see you again on the 61st.
Bipin, this is Josie, man. This is for your 60th birthday. I've put on the 60s look because you are a rock star. Happy birthday, my friend. You've been an amazing, amazing, amazing leader in the Ad Club movement. Yeah, you spearheaded us through many, many shows, award shows, functions, all kinds of interactions. Your passion stands before us like a shining light. I still remember that one incredible event that the two of us did on a rocking boat outside the Gateway of India, and we went around the Gateway of India outside into the ocean, and that training program was quite a crowded training program. It was called How to Rock the Boat Without Falling Off. And the crazy thing, Bipin, I don't know if you organized it, but the weather was mad and we kept rocking and people started puking and people were so scared. But you and I brought them all together and said, you gotta believe. And we had this one day incredible session. Thank you for that. I'll never forget it all my life, Bipin. Continue doing these amazing different things. May your passion rise through the 60s. And here for the 60, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you, Bipin. God bless you, my friend.
Happy returns of the day, my friend. When I think of you not only as one of my closest friends, but also the friend of the entire advertising and media industry. You have truly been a pillar of the industry for so many years. I remember very fondly the time that we spent together when we were doing the MVs and how we fought with each other, made up, squabbled again, but through the whole journey remained the bestest of friends. One of the most endearing qualities that you have, and you have many, is the fact that you can have fun while doing very, very serious and solemn things. So, the judging of the MVs, the processes that we follow, pulling off an event out of thin air, they were all very, very serious things, but we had such fun doing the same. Equally, I think you take your fun very seriously. So through the Kumars and those lovely shairis and those glittering jackets that you wear, I think you have fun too, but do that in a serious manner. So here's wishing you all the very, very best on your 16th birthday, dear Bipin. Mind you, I said 16th, not 60th, because in your case, dil to bachcha hai ji, bilkul sachcha hai ji.
Bipin, my friend, happy birthday. Here's to a huge milestone. You've been an amazing friend, a great colleague, and one of the best support I've had in my advertising job and career and with Ad Club. I wish you all the best, and I just hope that you keep going on and on for a very long time, because as I always say, the journey's just begun, and you are one of the most fascinating and the most wonderful and a very, very funny human being that I know. And remember one thing, I will still call you on your birthday like we've always done. We don't believe in WhatsApp, we don't believe in SMS. So this message is from the bottom of my heart to a wonderful person who's kept us laughing and kept us going for a very long time. Cheers, my friend. Enjoy your milestone and have a lovely year and a lovely, lovely time with your family and all your friends. We will have a drink soon. Cheers, my brother.
Dear Bipinda, here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you. May you get all the wishes and all the happiness that you hope for. आदमी 60 का क्या हुआ, दिल तो अभी भी जवान है और आवाज़ उससे ज़्यादा बुलंद है. आपकी आवाज़ और आपकी तबीयत में जो किशोर कुमार का मिजाज और मोहम्मद रफ़ी की कशिश है वो आज भी ज़िंदा है. और हम हर साल खुमार का बेइंतहा इंतज़ार करते हैं कि हमें वो मौका मिले कि हम आपके साथ कुछ गीत गुनगुनाएं. आई थिंक योर एनर्जी, योर पैशन, योर enthusiasm for everything that you do in life is an example of how one should really break all boundaries and do things that one's passion and one's heart tells one person to do. And I think you have proved that. Many happy returns of the day. Many congratulations once again on your 60th birthday. At Ad Club and in our industry, you are one rock star we all love. And I hope that you continue to have a long life and all the happiness that God can bless upon you. Have a wonderful birthday and many happy returns of the day. Thanks, take care, good luck and God bless.
Bipin Pandit. When I think about him, what comes to my mind is a bright, beautiful, myriad kaleidoscope, right? That's what he is to me. Whether it's his talent in mimicking, amazing talent in mimicking, right? You take it back with you for so long till the next show starts, or putting together Kumar to bring, passionately bring all the new talent in front of this world, truly believing in them. In fact, that's what he's always been about, right? For me, Bipin has always been about someone who believes in people, who believes in his friends. And big motivator for me as well, right? If ever you're down, the one person you should talk to is Bipin, right? He puts you in your spirits like that. And I know he would always start by saying, "Yes, my dear friend," right? And you just hear those words and you know things are going to be great, right? Have a chat with him. And so dedicated to the industry, to the world of advertising. He's been there. And as a big pillar of strength for the entire industry that leans on him. Amazing friend and amazing family man. I've seen him with his family. He's so proud of them, constantly talking about them, and so delightful to really just have a conversation with him. Can't miss out on that on any occasion. So here's wishing Bipin a very, very happy birthday. And may you always be 16 and like a kaleidoscope, throwing colors to the whole world, throwing joy to the whole world. And when you turn that kaleidoscope a little bit, you have those little shiny thingies that keep dropping and they sparkle. That's who you are. So I hope you keep shining like that, Bipin. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, a big virtual hug to you, and hope we can all meet soon to celebrate with you. Yes, my dear friend, have a very happy birthday.
Bipin, this is coming to you long distance. I wish we could be there in person, but a few things about you, all good things. I've known Bipin now for years. Actually, no, I've known him now for decades. And he's quite a multi-talented person. But there are two standout qualities that I can mention on this video about Bipin. One is his ability to organize. Boy, can he do that. And he's been doing it for years, decades, and meeting with the expectations of some of the most demanding people, advertising honchos who are very, very high bar themselves. And the Ad Club has a lot to thank Bipin for, surely. The second thing is his ability to network and connect with people. And once again, he does a masterful job of doing that. And I've seen it firsthand. We all know about Bipin's other passions like music, the musical shows he staged and compared. But there's one side, personal side to him, which I'd like to mention here, was the day that he introduced me to Neeraj, his son. And Bipin proudly looked at Neeraj. He looked at me and said, Ramesh, this is Neeraj, my son. And I looked at Neeraj, and he's a fine, boy. He's achieved a lot for himself. And I remember saying, the fruit doesn't fall far from the tree. Well, Bipin, with these few words, I'll get off screen. Happy birthday. Have a great 60th and have a great life going ahead. And may you continue to regale and thrill people all life long. Cheers.
Happy 60th birthday, Bipin. I applaud each and every one of your 60 grateful years. I have great admiration for you, for your commitment to the industry and your devotion to your friends. What I've learned from you is that the closest distance between two friends is a song. I fondly remember all the Sangeet sessions we had during Ed Asia, where we not only bonded amongst ourselves but also with our neighbors. So on your 60th birthday, Bipin, I wish you the very best and continue to live with a song in your heart.
Happy birthday, Bipin. 60, I was shocked to know that you're 60, you don't look 60. One of the nicest people to interact with, not just professionally but personally also. You're always smiling, you bring so much of warmth and positive energy in every interaction. May you have a great year filled with lots of love, happiness and all the success that you need.
बिपिन पंडित, कोई ये मान नहीं पाएगा कि आज तुम 60 साल के बहुत बड़े, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण आंकड़े को पार कर रहे हो। तुम्हारा खुमार ही कुछ अलग सा है, तुम्हारा अंदाज ही कुछ अलग सा है। तुम्हारा अंदाज बयां अपने आप में एक बड़ी खूबसूरती है। तुम्हारी शख्सियत बम्बई की या इस देश की मार्केटिंग एडवर्टाइजिंग कम्युनिटी में एक बहुत ख़ास है। उसकी पहचान है, उसका रुतबा है, उसका जलवा है। और आज इस जलवे में और चार चांद लग रहे हैं। मित्रा, तुझी 60 आहे। पुणे एकेकाळी आपण हे 60 हा फार मोठा आकडा मानत असूयात। आजकाल तर असले मार्कर्स येतात आणि जातात। परमात्मा तुला उदंड आयुष्य देवो आणि जी तू कलेची तत्परतेने सेवा करतोस, जी तू तुझ्या इंडस्ट्रीची तत्परतेने सेवा करतोस, जो मित्र स्वभाव तू सगळ्या लोकांना दाखवतोस, या सगळ्या गोष्टी पुरेपूर तुझ्याबरोबर आणि आमच्याबरोबर राहाव्यात आणि दशकानुदशक राहाव्यात ही ईश्वर कृपेची अपेक्षा आहे. Bipin, you are everybody's friend. Everybody knows you and everybody is fond of you, and this is because all the characters and personalities that you inhabit so beautifully and so effortlessly. On this, the completion of your 6 decades, this is my nod to yours for many, many more decades of healthy, happy life.
से मिलकर जिंदगी से इश्क हो जाए वो लोग आपने शायद न देखे हों, मगर ऐसे भी हैं. Salam Namaste from across the Wagah border. This is Sarmad Ali from Pakistan wishing a very happy birthday to someone I am proud to call a friend. I have known Bipin for almost 20 years. It was Jaipur in 2003 when we met. Over the years our relationship has blossomed into friendship, a very strong friendship indeed. It was always a pleasure talking to him and listening to him sing Mohammed Rafi. How does one describe Bipin Pandit? His passion for advertising, his love for music, cricket, singing Mohammed Rafi, and his command over mimicry makes him what he is. A great entertainer in whose company you can never get bored. In fact, ये जिस महफिल में मौजूद हो उस महफिल को 4 चांद लग जाते हैं. So, सालगिरह मुबारक हो मेरे दोस्त. I am told you are turning 60 today. But life begins at 60. You have a long way to go, so make the most of it. Keep on spreading your contagious smile, क्योंकि आपकी मुस्कुराहट दूसरों की मुस्कुराहट में तब्दील हो जाती है. मेरी दुआ है कि आप इसी तरह मुस्कुराते रहें और अपनी मुस्कुराहट से दूसरों को खुश करते रहें। जैसे कि गालिब ने कहा, तुम सलामत रहो हज़ार बरस, हर बरस के
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. I feel proud to say something about Bipin Pandit. It's been 19 years when I met Bipin Pandit in Air Asia Jaipur 2003. It was a day when nature's fetched me a friend like him, and now he's like a family. And whenever I come to India, I never feel assaulted as Bipin and his family adore sympathetically. Here I must quote that he is the man endowed with magnanimous talent which can be never measured. Bipin, on your 60th birthday, I would like to greet on behalf of all my Pakistani associates and family. Cheers to you, 6th decade and our friendship. May my warm wishes to your mother, your wife, Nanda Bhabi, and son. God bless you. Love me, my dear friend, Jawad Ahmad, Pakistan.